now is Dr. Robert Silverman.
Dr. Robert Silverman joins us now.
Dr. Robert Silverman.
Dr. Rob Silverman.
And author of the book Inside Out, Health and Nutritionist Robert Silverman.
Please welcome Dr. Rob Silverman.
I went to a chiropractor when I was 21. I had suffered a back injury. And I'll tell you, the Mark Twain quote comes to mind every time. The two most important days of your life are the day you're born and the day you knew why. He moved my metrics so much, and I got up and I knew I wanted to help people the way he helped me.
Doctor, what do you think about this? And also the growing rate of boys, bulimia, other issues that are now transpiring in young teens today.
Think of all the movie guys. I mean, I grew up, it was Arnold.
Yeah.
It was Stallone.
Yeah.
I wanted to be them.
Right.
And my whole workout changed according to what they did. And
Right.
it made us not only aspirational, but it also made us injured and dysfunctional with our body movement.
My wick burns 365, 24/7. So if you ever need anybody to pump you up, you come to me because my wick will light everybody else's in the room and we'll get outside and start changing healthcare. So I was just walking in before and in the street I saw everybody bent over. That's like...
Well, our heads are heavy, right? They weigh 10 to 12 pounds, huh?
It's like a bowling ball. Yeah, so for every inch that you're forward, it's an exponential increase. She's going to move that way as if I were pulling a string on the top of her head.
Do I look comfortable right now?
Yeah. You look uncomfortably comfortable. Drop your arms down and back. So it's opening up the pectoral muscles, stretching them out. Your scapular blades are now real nice and tight in your back pocket, and you're nice and open. You're ready. You're in power position. You're ready.
Where's my phone?
Let's go.
Now Americans are more obese than ever. And that has little to do with carbohydrates and fat and probably more to do with sugar.
It probably has everything to do right now, and the change was in the late 70s when these low-fat guidelines came out and said, eat all these carbohydrates. So all these fake sugars came in and all these high fructose corn syrup sugars came in. Whereas now we're realizing that a good quality fat, lowering carbohydrates to good quality carbohydrates like vegetables, really is the way to go for overall health. One of my patients had the best takeaway about a food label. He said if there's too many ingredients on it, there's got to be some hidden sugar.
Exactly.
I'm not in. I don't like any of their plans. I think I'm almost ready to throw my hat in there and talk about healthcare. Hopefully one of them want to hire me. It's all about prevention. We have over $1 billion that we're spending on our healthcare because of obesity and diabetes, and nobody's talking lifestyle. It's all about lifestyle. People should consider getting exercise, they should consider getting a different kind of diet, and they should supplement themselves correctly. When you think about the lost money in wages and productivity, it's $1 trillion.
Cold weather really affects the body and tangibly has impact on the body. Is that right?
Absolutely, especially in the joints, because as Grandma said, and all your friends that have an injured joint, I feel it. It chills me to the bone. It's a change in the barometric pressure.
So what are the telltale signs that you've been exposed to the Zika virus?
Fever, and that's classified as 100.4 Fahrenheit. Okay. Rash, almost like a rash, sort of like measles. Bad headache, almost like your eyes are pulling behind your back.
Okay.
Joint pain, mostly in the small bones and joints in your hands and feet. A lot of abdominal pain.
I took my goodies to the office of Dr. Rob Silverman, who tells me not all vitamins are created equal.
People don't know where to go. People don't know the quality to look at. So what I always recommend is something that would be a third-party certified vitamin. Do not let your zest for health die. Do not let your friend's zest for health die. Never. Health is one of the most important things. Just remember, you can change and you can change tomorrow.